I'm back here in Cubao. I know what I'm gonna eat. Double longanisa burger with extra cheese, coleslaw, and egg. There in Burger Mission. I feel like also to eat pizza, but I think the one that I'm craving for a pizza is already closed in Gateway. That's why I'm gonna reschedule it by tomorrow or the other or some other day. So here I am. This is what we call EDSA. Okay. Let's take a walk. While walking is some kind of form of exercise. Shout out to each every one of you, okay? Thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave to me, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to my mother, Amigo Fe Abordo, to my sister Christine, Helen Carreto, my childhood friend, each every one of you. Hold on, some kind of firing. How I wish that there's a minute, double longanisa burger that I've been craving for. So bye for now. Shout out to each every one of you.